All right. Hey guys. So hopefully you have Piktochart open and you got a template selected. So I just have a blank template. If you have something different, that's fine. But that's just what I got working on. Basic things I'm going to run through. I'm not going to run through everything, but I'm just going to run through some basic components of Piktochart. I got this open, and let's say I want to add some text. So I come over to here to the left, click on text, and I can select something like subtitle. Okay, and these are different sizes, but so there it pops up. And to move it, I'm just going to click outside of it, and then you just want to click on it with this little north, south, east, west arrows that we got going on, and put it where you want. Okay, and then I double click on it, and then I can write in it. And I'm going to write something like perch, because salmon eat perch. Okay. Then I could also add some body text. So there's another one that shows up. And again, this one's a little smaller because it's body text, but I can still select it, move it about, and even though it pops up as small, you can still increase the size. I just go to font size and I'll select like 28. And I might write something like crustaceans. Okay, because perch eat crustaceans. All right, so then I got that. And so from there, you might want to add some more stuff. So if I was going to add like an arrow, for instance, I go to graphics, and there's several things from here. You got shapes, icons, illustrations, lines, photos, okay, different things you can add. But I'm going to select shapes, icons, and from the drop-down menu, there's all this different stuff, but I'm just going to select arrows, and I can click on an arrow, and there it comes. So it shows up. Move this around, and I can rotate it. Boom, there we go. Perch eat crustaceans, right? And it's from there, you might want to add a few more things. Okay, so I might want to add like pictures. That's a big one, right? So to do that, let's say I want to grab an image off of Google. And from here, I've typed in oil use of the US, and I got a nice pie chart here. So I like this one. I'm going to go save image as, and I'll just save it as oil in US. And it's around the world, as we can see, but that's just how I'm titling it. Okay, so I say save, and it's saved to documents. There we go. And then I go back to my Piktochart and go uploads, browse images, and there we go, oil in US. Select that one, and there it pops up, and I can just drag it and drop it in here. Okay, and then it shows up big, but I can just adjust the size of it and make it smaller, or how large I want to, and place it where I want to. Okay, so there's that. Other things you can do, you may want to change the background, for instance. So I got my background, I could change it to something like, I get some nice fencing there, right? I might want a little lighter. That's a little better, so I can see it. Okay, so have a nice little background in there. All right. Let's see, what else can we do? We got some tools going on. Oh, these are some nice little things you can do. You can add charts. So just like Google Sheets, you can put your own data in here. And like I got some national market sales, and it creates a chart for me. And I could go like insert chart, and there it pops up. Same kind of thing. Okay. So that might be a good thing to do with some data that you come up with. Okay, or I can have a map that I put in here and do that. Okay, but there's a lot of stuff you can do, and we'll revisit this when we come in class.